Good evening, students. We were discussing about question number 1A and B. We have finished. I taught you question number 1A. Which questions will be mentioned in this A section? Question number 1A section. Now today we are going to study about B. Do as directed. Attempt any one from two. Meaning first B. This question number 1B is for 4 marks. Use the given phrase or add a clause. Means B is option for A and A is option for B. You have to attempt any one from two. Here is a phrase. In front of. In front of means cha samor. Students, in front of, it's a phrase. How to solve this question in examination, students? Very easy. You must know the phrase meaning your mother tongue. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला या फ्रेजचा अर्थ तुमच्या मातृभाषेमध्ये माहित असावा. ज्या विद्यार्थ्याला ह्या फ्रेजचा फ्रेज म्हणजे वाक्प्रचार. फ्रेज म्हणजे वाक्प्रचार कसा वाक्यात वापरायची ही फ्रेज किंवा वाक्प्रचार. तुम्ही मराठी विषय शिकलेला आहात, हिंदी विषय शिकलेला आहात, या विषयातील तोच भाग आहे. कसं लो am standing in front of you. In front of. Understood? I'm standing. Look, I'm standing in front of you. I use here this phrase. I underline also in front of you. Understood, student? Let's take another example. Second. For example, to take care of. To take care of means what, students? You know, to take care of means काळजी घेणे. ची काळजी घेणे. ची काळजी घेणे. To take care of. Ram is taking care of his mother. Is taking care of. Students, look at blackboard. To take care of, it's a phrase, but I use here how. Look, Ram is taking care of his mother. Ram त्याच्या आईची अतिशय काळजी घेत आहे. It's a continuous present tense, and you have studied that one. Ram is. You can use this phrase like this also. Ram takes care of his mother. Ram takes care of his mother. Ram त्याच्या आईची काळजी घेतो. It's a simple present tense. And above sentence, this sentence tense is continuous present tense, imperfect. Ram is taking care of. Ram काळजी घेत आहे. To whom? His mother. त्याच्या आईची. But in this sentence, Ram takes care of his mother. This sentence is also correct one. This sentence is also correct one. You can use another forward. Ram will take care of his mother. Will take care of. Is taking care of, continuous present tense. Takes care of, simple present tense. Will take care of, simple future tense. Students, look at blackboard. You can use the phrase in any kind of tense, but your sentence should be grammatically correct, just like this. Look here. Take. This verb is added by es. Here ing and then is. Here will take care of. Look, what's the phrase? To take. It is called prepositional phrase. This phrase we use here as it is no change in front of you. Why it is called prepositional phrase? Because in this phrase, in its preposition, students, we studied prepositions. In, that's why it is called prepositional phrase. To take care of, it's called to be phrase. To phrase or to be phrase. And in this way you have to use. This is the BA. These questions are add clause. Half clause is given there. You have to add clause your own. For example, number 1, if you study hard. Second sentence, I saw that. Third sentence, Ram came at my home. Ram came at my home. Dash. Look, I wrote 3 clauses. If you study hard, you will pass in exam. If you study hard, you will pass in exam. I saw that the boy was crying. Ram came at my home when my father had come. When? Your own sentence to add and complete this clause. Add clause. Half sentence is given there. You have to add the next one. Look. If you study, how to solve this question? Look. या प्रश्नामध्ये तुम्ही स्वतःचे वाक्य वापरून वाक्य पूर्ण करणे. या प्रश्नामध्ये तुम्ही स्वतःचे वाक्य वापरून वाक्य पूर्ण करणे. समजावून घ्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. इफ यू स्टडी हार्ड, जर तुम्ही खूप अभ्यास केला, व्हॉट्स द रिझल्ट? यू विल पास इन एक्झाम. समवन विल से you will get good mark. Students, you can another sentence I have written on blackboard. If you study hard, you will pass in exam. You can add another sentence. Someone will add, you will get good marks. I saw that the boy was crying. Here is a past tense. So here in this sentence I have used past tense. I saw that the woman was going to market. I saw that the students were working in the farm. You can add your own sentences like this. Ram came at my home. Ram माझ्या घरी आला तेव्हा when my father had come. माझे वडील आलेले होते. It's called add a clause. Means you will pass in exam or you will get good marks. The boy was crying. My father had come. When my father had come, I have used my own sentences. You can try at your home while solving this question. Keep in mind, students, do as directed for 4 marks. Look here. A. Use the given phrase and add a clause. For 2 marks, look, use the given phrase in front of you. I have used here. This question you can solve A or B. Attempt any one from 2. Here say or. We have in language study sections question. Question number 1, students. B. Do as directed. You can solve this. You have choice, students. If you find these questions very easy, you can write the answer of this question. If you find this question easy, you can write this question's answer. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लँग्वेज स्टडी सेक्शन मध्ये बी दिलेला आहे. पहिला जो प्रश्न आहे आपला तो 8 मार्काचा आहे आणि दुसरा जो प्रश्न आहे तो आय थिंक 2 marks. I think 2 marks. Sorry, not 4 marks. A options B. A is 1 for 1 marks. B is for 1 mark. If you solve this, you will get 1 mark. If you saw 2 sentences, but you will get only 1 mark. So you have a choice here, students. You must attempt only 1. Understood now? These 2 topics using the phrases and adding a clause. Students, we have studied today only question number 1 B's A or B. The remaining part we shall continue next lecture. You have to write down this note. Understood? Thank you very much.